Good morning, student. How are you all, Petine? I hope you are fine, good, and revised your topic. We are on the part 3rd of chapter 17, and I hope you have covered both the parts, that is, food and chain we have done, food web we have done, and the uses of forest. So we are on the topic that is deforestation. Let's discuss about the deforestation, afforestation, and the conservation of forest. So we all are well aware with the deforestation that clearing the forest by cutting trees to fulfill our needs such as wood and even land, that is called deforestation. So we are using this forest and this land and this wood what we are getting it, and it causes a very deep problem for us, that if the forests are not there we are not going to survive, right? So uses we have done earlier. Now I like to cover causes of deforestation. One by one we will cover these causes. That is, increase in population. As the population is increasing day by day, they need more house, more colonies, more industries, more institutes, more offices, and for that purpose we have to clear the land, right? So next topic I like to take is wood for industries. So wood is also being used for many purposes in the industries. So it leads to the very much hat-trick problem for the depletion of forest. Like wood is used in many ways. Okay, that's a major depletion cause, I can say. And one more thing, that is construction of dams. See, in the cities, dams are not possible. So we need an area which is outside the regional areas, and the forest has to be cleared to make these dams, and a lot of areas required, vast areas required. So dam is also a very big cause for deforestation. One more problem is arises in the summer season, that is forest fire. When the temperature arises, the forest caught the fire and all get burned down. So it's not easy to stop it. So it's also become a major cause for deforestation. Now I like to cover the effect of deforestation. Let's discuss the second point, that is deforestation cause soil erosion. So soil erosion is also a major cause for the deforestation, beta. So now again, the burning of wood. See, when the soil, if the trees are not there, no one is there to bind the soil. And when the excess of wind and excess of water will come, definitely it will wash off all the soil. So soil erosion will occur if the trees are not there. So burning of wood. Burning of wood, that increases the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And due to this, what will happen? Lot of air pollution. And air pollution causes the warmthness in the air, and due to which global warming will occur. You can say this forest fire and this soil this drastic conditions will increases the global warming due to the effect of increase in temperature. And due to what will happen? These tsunamis will used to come and floods will come. If the forests are not there, no one is there to protect us from the floods even. So one more thing I like to discuss with this is forests are the house of the animals, and they provide them food and shelter, and they'll survive all on the forest only. If no forest, no wildlife. Okay, now let's cover the chapter concentration of forest. Conservation of forest. Now how we are going to conserve them, how we are going to protect them. Let's take one by one every point. So forests are very beneficial to us and for all animals also. So in many ways it is very important, and we can conserve them. So we should do excess cutting down of forest should be avoided, and we are not allowed to cut the trees. Now tree for a tree principle should be adopted. For every tree that has been fallen, a new tree should be planted. If one tree is fallen down, one should be grown up. Now, paper products should not be bought, right? We should not, and if we are buying them, so use the recycle thing, right? So that we can conserve the forest. Next, usage of wood as a fuel should be discouraged. So, fuel should not be used to burn them. Any breakout of the fire in the forest should be fought quickly. If the fire is there, forest fire is there, we should take some modern methods to avoid it, to protect it. And forest must be protected from insects and pests and infection by treating them with pesticides and insecticides. So these few steps should be taken in advantage, and we should conserve the forest by these ways. See, many campaigns as goes on to conserve them by all over the world. They're growing new trees, they're planting more trees and plants. So these steps should be take care of it. One more thing with additional to this is afforestation. So afforestation involves the growing of new plants. And what is afforestation? Yes, everybody used to do this afforestation, growing a plant. Everyone should grow at least one plant in a month. Special drive of planting more and more trees to save the environment from the adverse effect of deforestation is called afforestation. So many projects are taken place like Van Mahotsav. Government has taken many programs to celebrate this, and even we can celebrate afforestation by growing one plant. At least we should grow a plant on our birthdays. Okay, so in this way we can save our forests, we can conserve them, and help us our nature to remain neutral. Okay, so please read this topic, go through it. Till then, thank you, have a nice day.